Aren't you ready to embark on a journey of personal transformation and self-discovery? These literary treasures have the power to reshape your thinking, ignite your passions, and lead you on a path to a more fulfilling and extraordinary life. Join us on this exhilarating adventure and get ready to unlock your true potential. Welcome to a world where pages turn into portals to new perspectives, where words have the power to reshape your reality, and where the stories of others can inspire profound changes in your own life. There's a unique magic in the written word, a transformative power that transcends time and place, and it's waiting for you within the pages of life-changing books. In this journey through the best life-changing books to read, we'll traverse the landscapes of personal development, explore the depths of human psychology, and seek the wisdom of those who have found the secrets to living a life of purpose and meaning. So whether you're seeking to ignite your passions, boost your confidence, or discover your life's purpose, you come to the right place. Let's start now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Links to the books are given in the description below. Number 10. The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. A renowned Mexican author, Don Miguel Ruiz, and spiritual teacher, draws from the wisdom of ancient Toltec teachings. In The Four Agreements, he distills profound insights into practical principles for living a life of freedom, happiness, and authenticity. The Four Agreements is a transformative guide that explores four powerful agreements that can bring about personal and spiritual freedom. Drawing from Toltec wisdom, Ruiz introduces these agreements. Be impeccable with your word, don't take anything personally, don't make assumptions, and always do your best. He explains how these agreements can help individuals break free from self-limiting beliefs and emotional suffering. Ruiz invites readers to examine the impact of their words, thoughts, and actions on their lives and relationships. Through clear and concise prose, he provides practical guidance on how to integrate these agreements into daily life. Number 9. Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. A Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher who ruled during the 2nd century AD. Meditations is a collection of Marcus Aurelius' personal writings, providing readers with a rare glimpse into the thoughts and reflections of one of history's most influential leaders. Meditations is a philosophical classic that offers profound insights on life, virtue, and the human condition. Marcus Aurelius wrote these meditations as a form of self-reflection and guidance for himself, never intending them for publication. In the book, he contemplates the Stoic philosophy that emphasizes self-discipline, rationality, and resilience in the face of adversity. Aurelius encourages readers to focus on the things they can control, their own thoughts and actions, while accepting the inevitability of life's challenges. He addresses themes such as the transitory nature of life, the importance of living in accordance with one's values, and the pursuit of inner peace. Meditations continues to be a source of wisdom and inspiration for those seeking to cultivate inner strength and a philosophical perspective on life's ups and downs. Reading Aurelius' timeless reflections can lead to a deeper understanding of human nature and a more balanced approach to the complexities of life. Number 8. The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. An American author known for his books on power dynamics and strategy. In The 48 Laws of Power, Robert delves into the timeless principles that have shaped human history and offers a provocative guide on how to navigate the complex realm of power. The 48 Laws of Power is a captivating exploration of the dynamics of power, influence, and human behavior. Greene distills centuries of history, philosophy, and psychology into 48 laws that illuminate the strategies employed by some of the world's most influential figures. Each law is accompanied by historical anecdotes, examples, and lessons from the lives of historical figures, politicians, and leaders. Greene examines concepts such as the importance of maintaining appearances, the art of deception, and the strategic use of silence. While some of the laws may be controversial or morally ambiguous, they provide valuable insights into the ways individuals and organizations seek to gain and wield power. Whether you aspire to become a more effective leader or simply wish to understand the forces at play in the world around you, the 48 Laws of Power offers a thought-provoking and enlightening journey into the intricacies of human ambition and influence. Number 7. Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. A little different from others, Yuval Noah Harari is an Israeli historian and professor renowned for his interdisciplinary approach to history and the exploration of humanity's past and future. In Sapiens, Harari takes readers on a captivating journey through the history of our species, from the emergence of Homo sapiens to the present day. Sapiens is a sweeping narrative that offers a grand overview of the history of Homo sapiens, from the earliest days of our species to the modern era. Harari explores key turning points, such as the agricultural revolution, the emergence of empires, and the scientific and technological advancements that have shaped our world. Through engaging storytelling and thought-provoking analysis, he delves into the cognitive, social, and cultural developments that set Homo sapiens apart from other species. Harari raises thought-provoking questions about the impact of human actions on the planet and the ethical dilemmas posed by advancements in science and technology. Sapiens challenges readers to reflect on the nature of humanity and the trajectory of our species, offering a profound and enlightening perspective on the history of our existence. Number 6. Thinking, Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. You might know him already. Daniel Kahneman is a Nobel laureate in economics and a renowned psychologist who has dedicated his career to the study of decision-making and human behavior. In Thinking, Fast and Slow, he provides a comprehensive exploration of the two systems that drive how we think: the fast intuitive system, System 1, and the slower, more deliberate system, System 2. Thinking, Fast and Slow takes readers on a fascinating journey into the intricacies of the human mind and the cognitive processes that shape our decisions. Kahneman introduces the concept of two thinking systems, with System 1 being the intuitive, automatic, and fast-thinking system that operates based on heuristics and instincts, while System 2 is the slower, analytical, and deliberate system that requires conscious effort and reasoning. Through engaging anecdotes and extensive research, Kahneman reveals the biases and errors that can arise from these two systems and how they impact our judgments and choices. He explores topics like overconfidence, loss aversion, and the availability heuristic, shedding light on why we often make irrational decisions. Thinking, Fast and Slow is a thought-provoking and eye-opening exploration of the human mind, offering practical insights into improving decision-making and understanding the cognitive traps we all fall into. Number 5. The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, a serial entrepreneur, author, and productivity guru known for his unconventional approach to life and work. In The 4-Hour Workweek, Ferriss challenges the traditional notion of work and provides a blueprint for achieving a life of greater freedom, financial abundance, and adventure. The 4-Hour Workweek is a game-changing manifesto that challenges the conventional wisdom about work, retirement, and lifestyle design. Ferriss introduces readers to the concept of the new rich, NR, individuals who prioritize time and experiences over traditional wealth and retirement. He shares his personal journey of transitioning from a workaholic to a lifestyle designer, highlighting the principles of automation, outsourcing, and mini-retirements that enable him to live life to the fullest. The book is filled with practical strategies and real-life examples, from negotiating remote work arrangements to building online businesses that generate passive income. Ferriss also emphasizes the importance of the Muse, a small automated business that funds one's ideal lifestyle. Number 4. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and Sharon Lechter. Talking about them, Robert Kiyosaki is a renowned entrepreneur, investor, and financial educator, while Sharon Lechter is a prolific author and businesswoman. Together, they crafted Rich Dad Poor Dad as a groundbreaking guide to financial literacy and wealth building. Rich Dad Poor Dad challenges conventional wisdom about money and financial success by contrasting the financial philosophies of two father figures in Kiyosaki's life: his poor dad, biological father, and his rich dad, the father of his best friend. Kiyosaki shares valuable lessons he learned from both men, emphasizing the importance of financial education and the difference between assets and liabilities. The book introduces concepts like passive income, entrepreneurship, and the importance of investing in assets that generate cash flow. Kiyosaki encourages readers to break free from the cycle of working for a paycheck and instead strive to attain financial independence and wealth. Rich Dad Poor Dad has become a cornerstone of personal finance literature, offering readers a fresh perspective on money, wealth, and the path to financial freedom. Number 3. Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins, a world-renowned life coach, self-help author, and motivational speaker. In Awaken the Giant Within, Robbins shares his insights and strategies for personal development and transformation. Awaken the Giant Within is a compelling guide to unlocking your potential and taking control of your life. Tony Robbins delves into the principles of personal power, self-mastery, and emotional intelligence. He explores the concept of neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, and how it can be used to change your thought patterns and behavior. Robbins offers practical techniques for setting and achieving goals, mastering your emotions, and breaking through limitations. He emphasizes the importance of taking massive action and adopting a mindset of continuous improvement. Number 2. The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, a French writer and aviator, and The Little Prince is Antoine de Saint-Exupéry's most celebrated work. Published in 1943, this timeless novella has captivated readers of all ages with its enchanting tale that combines elements of a children's story with profound philosophical insights. The Little Prince tells the story of a young prince who embarks on a cosmic journey from planet to planet, meeting a cast of whimsical characters along the way. While the book is often categorized as a children's story, it transcends age boundaries with its poignant themes and universal messages. Through the eyes of the Little Prince, readers are invited to explore themes of love, friendship, loneliness, and the complexities of adulthood. Saint-Exupéry's exquisite prose and evocative illustrations invite readers to contemplate the nature of human relationships and the pursuit of what truly matters in life. Number 1. Who Moved My Cheese by Spencer Johnson. Lastly, we have Spencer Johnson, a physician and author, is best known for his motivational and self-help books. Who Moved My Cheese is a parable-style story that has become a classic in the world of personal and professional development. Who Moved My Cheese presents a simple yet profound allegory about change and adaptability in life and work. The book revolves around 4 characters, 2 mice, Sniff and Scurry, and 2 little people, Hem and Haw, who live in a maze in search for cheese, which symbolizes their happiness and success. When they discover that their cheese supply has been moved, each character reacts differently. While Sniff and Scurry promptly adapt to the change and start searching for new cheese, Hem and Haw resist, clinging to their old ways and beliefs. Through this story, Johnson illustrates the different responses people have to change and the importance of embracing it with an open mind. In the world of literature, life-changing books are the hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. These literary gems have the power to ignite our passions, broaden our perspectives, and propel us on journeys of personal transformation. The journey of self-discovery and personal growth is a lifelong one, and these books are our trusty companions along the way. Happy reading, and may these life-changing books continue to illuminate your path to a brighter, more fulfilling future. Video helps you find the next book you are going to read, then like and share this video. Let me know in comment section on what type of books I should cover in my next video. Also, if you read one of the book mentioned in this video, share your review or thoughts with us. Subscribe this channel for more such awesome videos. Thanks for watching.